how long do I have to make deposits? This goes back to our illustration of buying cars. I showed you exactly how putting more deposits in has a huge impact on the end result. And so ultimately, if you own and control your own banking system, how long would you want to see deposits going in for? Most people would want to do it as often as possible. And so I would encourage people to do that. But ultimately, you can make adjustments down the line. I would say probably the minimum time frame you need to fund one, you should be planning for a minimum of 7 years. You might get lucky with a large enough policy to do it less than that, but you should be in your mind considering that you want to at least go 7 to 10 years, and ideally beyond. How much you go beyond is really up to you, but you really want to focus on putting deposits in.